Looking for a way to upgrade your speaker connections without the hassle? The Strike Banana plugs promise a fast, secure connection that's unlike anything else on the market. With their patent-pending V-Lock technology, these plugs make attaching your speaker wire quicker and cleaner. No solder, no screws, no fuss. What makes the Strike plug stand out? For starters, it's the shortest banana plug available measuring just 1.5 inches long. When plugged in, less than half of that length extends from your equipment, keeping your setup sleek and compact. This design not only saves space but also reduces clutter behind your audio gear. Installation is a breeze. You simply insert your speaker wire into the plug, screw on the bottom half, and you're done, in seconds. No special tools or expertise needed. The V-Lock cone inside guarantees maximum surface contact with your wire, ensuring a strong, reliable connection that preserves the best signal quality. That means clearer sound and fewer interruptions. I've tried plenty of banana plugs over the years, but the Strike plugs truly deliver on their promise. They're tough, compact, and nearly indestructible under normal or even demanding use. They don't slip or short out, which can save you from costly amp damage. Users across the US consistently rate them as the best option for ease and durability. If you're tired of struggling with messy, unreliable speaker connections, these plugs are worth a look. They work with a wide range of wire gauges, from 18 Aruban florins up to 10 Aruban florins, so they fit most setups. Plus, their clean design means your gear stays neat and professional looking. Ready to simplify your audio setup and get the best signal possible? Strike Banana plugs with V-Lock technology offer a fast, secure, and compact solution that's proven to last. Try them when you're ready and experience the difference in your sound and setup.